Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce these group's members. They are Damar Gumbira, Dea Destiana, Ilma Azahra, Ratu Balkis Utoyo Putri, and Septian Kurnia Nugroho.
Before start, we have to say thank you so much for Miss Lina who gave us a chance to make the explanation slides of a recontext. Thanks, very useful to us at learning English.
Okay, we can start it now. Firstly, it's very important to know what is the recount text. Recount text is a text telling the reader about one story, action, or activity, or a text which retells event or experience in the past. Well, we must have familiar with this text. Like in school, teacher assigned to retell our experience while a holiday. So, that is included to recount text.
So, what is the purpose of recount text? Recount is aimed to entertain and inform readers. For the example is if we read the Insinyur Soekarno biographical recount text, we can know about information of Insinyur Soekarno life.
Well, that sounds great to learn. Now we have to know about the generic structure of recount text. There is 3 points to know. First, the orientation that involved in the story. When, where, and why the story happened. Next, events. Tell us what happened in the story. In bahasa, it means isi cerita. And the last one is reorientation. That is optional to put in because it contains a conclusion of the story.
Well, we have to see the example of each part the recount structure here. We need to remember this part for facilitate us to make a good recount text.
Well, after know all of it, we have to know all kinds of recount text. There is personal recount, factual recount, imaginative recount, and historical recount. Personal recount that tells about author personal experience. Factual recount is reports about events that actually happened. Imaginative recount is most entertaining because it tells about an imaginative story or events that have occurred. Historical recount is used to retell factual events in the past that has historical values.
So, this is examples kinds of recount text. We can see this together. Well, this is the last thing we must know about recount. It's biographical recount that inform by retelling past events and achievements in a person's life. Here is the explanations and example of biographical recount.
Well done! Thank you for Mrs. Lina and all of you. Hopefully these slides can help us to learning about recount text. See you in the next lessons. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.